Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. I also want to welcome the students of 11th and 12th Science Chemistry to the inorganic qualitative analysis, that is salt analysis, especially acid radicals. I already explained in my previous video, that means the acid radical analysis, general procedure, how to proceed, and also the packets what is given to me, that is first packet, that is nitrate, already I proved, and the second one is sulfate, and then come to sulfide, and now here also I explain and also I proved that one acetate. Here I want to explain the packet, the unknown acidical packet what is given to me, that is number is 5, and I want to do the experiment. What are the experiment, observation, inference I have done already. I want to explain that one. See, when you proceed that acidical analysis, first you will see general one, color, structure, and solubility, and here the structure lightly amorphous and crystalline, so you can write crystalline also. Then what happened here, the structure is crystalline, solubility is in water, and color is white. Then what are the tests in acid radical? One is dry test, other is wet test. Dry test you will do the dilute sulfuric acid. If not, no reaction, no effervescence, then you will go to concentrated sulfuric acid. Then you will go to, if it has no effervescence, then you will go to third level, third group, that is concentrated sulfuric acid and copper turnings and heated. If there is no brown gas, then you will go to next level, that is fourth level, sulfate, and there is no dry test for sulfate, you will go to wet test or confirmed test of sulfate. If there is no sulfate, then you will proceed to phosphate. Then one by one you will proceed. If one is absent, then you will go to higher level, next level. If one is present, the radical groups present, that means you will do confirmed test of that. What is maybe you are sure by the color and observation, that is effervescence here, by the smell of the gas, by the color of the gas, you can maybe this may be, that is your radical. You are not sure, but maybe. Remember, you should write in dry test maybe, in wet test or confirmed test you should write that is confirmed. Now I am proceeding the acid radical what is given to me, that is number 5. So I have to first write the color, structure, solubility, and you will do dry test first. Dry test, in dry test, that is number 1 test, that is dilute sulfuric acid. You will take salt. I have taken the salt and added dilute sulfuric acid. What is the changes here? What is the observation here? That is effervescence took place. If effervescence took place, then what is here? Inference. Maybe carbonate, sulfite, nitrite, and sulfite. That means here what is that maybe? There are 4 radicals, base radicals, that is maybe, but out of 4, what is 70%, 80% in my mind, that what is maybe my salt, my acid radical. Colorless, odorless gas evolved which turn lime water milky. Lime water, that is calcium hydroxide solution and clear solution, and here may be carbonate, since it turns lime water milky, and since it is one colorless, odorless gas, what I observe in my experiment, that is maybe carbonate. If I am sure that is carbonate, then others should remain absent. Then how can I prove? Because I know sulfide, that is rotten smell, nitrite, that is brown gas, and sulfide, that is burning sulfur smell. That is why I have to show here no brown gas, nitrate absent, no rotten smell, S minus 2 absent, no burning sulfur smell, sulfide absent. As next come to wet test. In wet test, since I am sure that it may be carbonate in my first group, so I have to do confirm test. Yes, I have done. See here, wet test, confirm test. Now confirm test of what? That is carbonate. first salt solution in a test tube and added MgSO. What is MgSO for? Magnesium sulfate solution. Now magnesium sulfate solution that is white precipitate. When magnesium sulfate solution added to that one, it gives white precipitate. Reaction we will see later, and that is carbonate confirmed. Again see, first you will go to dry test. In dry test you will take salt solution, sorry not solution, remember dry test mean no solution, only direct solid. So salt is taken in a test tube and added dilute sulfuric acid. Effervescence took place, and here maybe carbonate, sulfite, nitrite, sulfite. Out of which, what is that one? What is maybe? Due to colorless, odorless gas, so it is maybe. And also it turned lime water milky, then it is maybe carbonate. And others are absent, you are sure, by its color, by its smell. So I have written nitrite absent, sulfide absent, sulfite absent. What is maybe? Maybe carbonate. So you take you do confirm test. Yes, I have done confirm test, and salt solution in a test to magnesium sulfate solution is added. White precipitate is formed. It indicates which confirmed carbonate is present. So after that you will see other confirmed test, other weight test of the carbonate, wherever we can prove. I already told the confirmed test of carbonate, that is number 1, magnesium sulfate test. If I added the magnesium sulfate solution, then what happened? White precipitate form, which indicates that CO3 minus 2 carbonate confirmed. Now we will come to second test, that is number 2. Salt solution in a test tube, added that one barium chloride solution. Yes, I have done. Barium chloride solution is added in the salt solution. Then what happens? White precipitate is formed. That means carbonate confirmed. And here third one, to the salt solution added a few drops of phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein main that duty or main the function of phenolphthalein, that base alkali should be changed to pink color. Since any carbonate generally that is alkaline nature, that is why it turned to pink color. So I am sure that carbonate is confirmed. Means I have done dry test and I have done weight test. In weight test there are 3 tests I have done. First test, magnesium sulfate solution where white precipitate formed, and that one barium chloride solution again white precipitate, and the phenolphthalein solution where I got that pink color, the solution changed to pink color. And lastly I have to write that show my Ac radical, what packet is given? Ac radical, that packet is 5, is that one, what is that one? Carbonate. You can write in spelling also, carbonate. That means here what to do? First you do dry test, then confirm test, then one should write, because you have proved that was so my Ac radical packet number 5, that is carbonate. Now what are the reaction involved here? Now see, first I have done what I have done in dry test, the salt and dilute sulfuric acid, that is in solid form, there is no solution. So what happened here? Sodium sulfate aqueous, water liquid, and carbon dioxide gas, and here, and which is proved by lime water, that is colorless, odorless gas, and it is proved by lime water. Lime water pass here, carbon dioxide pass through lime water, then it changes to calcium carbonate, that is white precipitate. And if you pass excess carbon dioxide, then what happens? The white precipitate becomes soluble, because on excess passing, now calcium bicarbonate is formed. Calcium bicarbonate, which is soluble in water, which is not a precipitate, whereas calcium carbonate is a precipitate. So here it proof that it is indicating that carbonate is present. Then come to confirm test. First one, magnesium sulfate. So magnesium carbonate, what is the white precipitate? Due to formation of magnesium carbonate, and that is why white precipitate. Similarly, the last second test, that is barium chloride solution, and here barium carbonate, which is a white precipitate. So now confirm that carbonate and phenolphthalein solution, that is a complex structure. So here I have not written, so only phenolphthalein, it gives a pink color. The totally solution changed to pink color. Again I want to say, first you will see physical state, color, structure, solubility, then do dry test. Here I have done dry test with dilute sulfuric acid first, and then what? Here colorless, odorless gas evolve, which indicates maybe carbonate, and also it turns lime water milky, which again I am sure that may be carbonate. And I have done that confirm test, that is weight test. First one is magnesium sulfate. After doing dry test, I have done confirm test. Confirm test, that means weight test. Here I have done the first test, magnesium sulfate test. Magnesium sulfate test means salt solution, and magnesium sulfate solution, it gives a white precipitate, that is due to formation of magnesium carbonate. In third test, here barium chloride solution is added to the salt solution. Then what happens here? That is barium carbonate, white precipitate is formed. First one magnesium carbonate, second one is barium carbonate, white precipitate form, and now the last one phenolphthalein solution, where it gives that much solution turns to pink color, because alkali, it is an alkali, that is why total solution turns to pink color. I hope it is clear. The packet number 5 what is given to me, that is the salt, acid radical, that one carbonate, that formula CO3 minus 2. I hope the acid radical analysis, the unknown acid radical number 5, the packet number 5 is clear to you, and it is carbonate what I proved, and hope you will subscribe and share and like my channel BL Das, short and sweet in chemistry, and hope you will subscribe, share and like, so that I can produce more videos regarding acid radicals. After that also I will make that unknown basic radicals. Hope it is clear to you. If any doubts, give in comments, and thanking you. Thanks.